What does this say about James Gorman's strategy? Because he really de-risked in a large extent by going with wealth management and really built that business up. At the same time, he actually cut back on his staff in trading, if you remember. He saved a lot of money there, and yet they come roaring back in trading, and they have the wealth management at the same time.
So I think that the diversified model is working for them. It's also, it's a strong seasonal quarter for trading. It's also been a great environment for the wealth management business. And to your point, he has focused more on that. I think that's something that investors like to see. They want to see more of a recurring revenue, something that's less dependent on transactions. And so we have a stronger skew towards that business, but still executing across the business line. So I think it's a story of mix for Morgan Stanley, but it's also a story on executing in all the businesses that they're in.
Dave, do you like banks?
We're positive on banks and the financials in general, and so far the earnings we've seen have supported that view. Nothing's ever perfect. I think with the banks, everyone would have liked to have seen perhaps more organic loan growth, but when you look at credit quality, when you look at return on capital and the underlying level of profitability and the backdrop of a more positive tax and regulatory environment, we are overweight the financial sector.